today we're gonna make some boats. This is another one that is so fun because you can take it outside and give it a little float, or even just in a tub of water or in the sink and take it in the bathtub with you. You can make a fleet of little boats. Have fun creating. Now, if you want your boat to be seaworthy, you want to give nice, good creases so that he will stay afloat, or she. So the first thing you want to do is take your paper up to the top and hold it there, then take your thumbs all the way down. You want to get a really good crease. Now that you have the middle done, whoops, you can go out to the sides. And you want to give it a nice, good crease. Now we're going to open it up. And we're going to fold again all the way to the middle crease and make that crease good and tight, I guess. You can flip it around and do the other side, bring it up. There we go. Okay, now we are going to fold a little corner here, and you want to bring this edge all the way to your middle. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And give it a good crease every time. Okay, now we are going to take this bottom half and fold it all the way up to the top. And then when you have that, we're just going to go ahead and unfold it. We made this line so that it can help us make our next fold. This next fold is kind of another triangle like when we did these, but it's going to start here and go all the way to here. So one way, this is kind of tricky, but if you put your finger here at this line, that can help it. And then once you think you've got it, go ahead and do the fold. And we're going to do this 4 times, one on every corner. So let's do this side. You're going to put your finger here, and you're going to kind of check here to make sure it's not getting twisted weird. And then once you think you've got it, see, if you just lightly press it, it pops out. Go ahead and give it the best crease you can give it. Okay, now we're going to fold to the other side and do the same thing. And then one last side. Okay. Now we're going to take these points and fold those in. And you're not going to fold it all the way, probably about halfway. Okay. Now you're going to flip it over and fold it in half. Now we're going to open it up, but we actually want it to be inside out. So I'm going to press my finger through there. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Got to go a little bit light. There we go. Just gingerly coax him. Look, how cute. Okay, so our little boat can float, but I feel like it's not a real boat unless it has some sort of something cutesy on it. Like a flag or a life preserver. So you can use another piece of origami paper. I'm gonna cut a long triangle. And I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna fold it down a little bit, and that will give you a spot to glue to the bottom of your boat. You can go ahead and draw on this